I just want to do a quick video to show you how you can make some quick $62 commissions with ClassifiedSubmissions.com affiliate program. We've made it super easy for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to promote it as well. I'm going to give you a bunch of ideas. Just stick to the end of the video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much. All right, we're in the affiliate tools page for ClassifiedSubmissions.com, and we have a number of products and services that we offer from ClassifiedSubmissions.com, from our submission service to our video service. We even set people up in their own classified ad website. And as affiliate, you get commissions on any of it. So even if someone signs up for free, like say as an affiliate, you're coded for life. They're coded for life to you. So if they order a year later or a week later, you get affiliate commissions on whatever they order. There's a lot of things they can order. So here's one of our services. I think it's one of the best ones. And that is we set people up in their own classified ad website. Why is this good? Because it is a lead generator and everyone needs leads. That is what everyone's looking for. They want to get their eyeballs in front of offers. And, you know, I own about 30 of these classified ad websites and I have unlimited leads. I can't even get to them all. Here's the user count on just one of my sites. 502,347 people have signed up on this site. Every single one of these people is a potential lead. And if you own your own classified ad website, which we will help you promote, every one of these people who show up are going to be a lead. And I'll tell you a little secret. Everyone that I'm going to send is actually a buyer too. So that's gold. So let's go back to our affiliate tools section for ClassifiedSubmissions.com. Now, if you want to promote, get your own money lead generating ad site, you keep 100% of the profit, the money. We got a sales letter done for you right here. Okay. All you have to do is put your user ID that you get from ClassifiedSubmissions.com right here, and you've got a pre-made sales letter. So you just copy and paste. So what you need to do, you've got the headline here and you've got the sales letter. Go to your list, send them a list with this right here. And you could do this with all the other sales letters too, promoting the other products. But right here, you've got one offer, which is a very valuable offer for people who are looking for business opportunity leads, because all these leads will be mainly business opportunity leads. So that's really golden. So go ahead and you can send this out to your list. So where else can you promote this? You can come to Facebook and you can look for groups. All right. I've joined a few of them here, and you can post to these groups. You could just post the sales letter to the groups. You come here and search groups, and you can search for affiliate marketing, right? And you go and find all these groups here. Join them all. And then you can post your offers right here if it's about affiliate marketing. And this is great for affiliate marketing because affiliate marketers need leads, right? They need leads. And owning this type of website will get you lots of leads. And I just proved that to you. So there's one way you can promote it. And there's lots of ways. And you can search through, lead generation. Let's see what happens there. Okay. This talks about lead generation. You've got a great site for lead generation. So that's one way that you can start promoting this. Now, another way to promote if you don't have a list is with safe lists. Okay. Now, safe lists aren't going to revolutionize your whole world. No one technique will. Okay. But it is a way to start getting traffic to your offer right now. This one will, Hogmailer Plus, you can send to 5 safe lists at once. And it's also a credit mailer where people are incentivized to look at your offer. And these are all business opportunity type of people. So I'll put the link here for this one. I'll also put the link for Email Hog and also European Safe List and Herculist. And by the way, if you've got a safe list that you've sent to that's been successful for you, let me know and I'll add it to the list. You can come in here and send out emails every day. Here I'm going to go to the credit mailer. I like the credit mailer is the best. Then you got to wait here a second. You just copy and paste your message and click send. Here I've copied and pasted the sales letter. You can personalize it here with first name. and you just click send, and you can do that every day or every other day, depending on the rules of the safe list. They have a regular mailer and a credit mailer. The regular mailer can send to up to 5 different safe lists at once. I do seem to do a little bit better with the credit mailers, though. So I'll put the links to all these safe lists. This one's kind of interesting because it has ability to send to multiple safe lists. And if you don't have your list yet, aren't building your list, then probably what you need to do is actually get this website. You can come here and get this website, and we'll help you promote it, but you got to promote it as well. And it can help you build your own list. We integrate it with Aweber, and so you can start building your list with Aweber. I'll put the link below for that. And it's a way for you to start building your list. And, that's how you make money online, by building an audience and building a list. So I would highly recommend it. If you don't have your own list yet, then you should get set up with this. And you can start generating leads by offering free advertising to people. So click the link below to see this concept. Another way for you to promote this is actually to join ClassifiedSubmissions.com yourself and start and have us promote this for you. We'll promote this on 70 different websites continually, and we'll upgrade the ads, and we'll put you in rotators, do a lot of promotion for you for this. And it's exactly to this same crowd that would be interested in this. So here's another way you can join ClassifiedSubmissions.com, have us promote the offer for you. Another way you could promote this offer is with our ad reply software. This software replies to ads on a popular classified ad website. The advantage of this is you get your ad or your offer right in front of the eyeballs of the people who are advertising, because people monitor the inbox where they receive replies. So they're going to look at that inbox as they're looking for replies to their own ad. So you will get eyeballs on your offer. I've got people getting leads from this. And it's working. And I've tested it before selling it, and people are responding. So if you can get eyeballs, that's a win. So you can use Ad Reply 3.0 to advertise this and other offers. Another thing you can do is join our newsletter below. You're going to get a lot of free ad submission software, and you can post ads yourself for this and other offers. We've created the ad copy for you, and you just have your link, and you could promote it on multiple classified ad websites. So you could use our free software. And if you want to step up, you could use our pro software, which makes it just a little easier, like OSClass Submitter. Okay, right here for ads, unlimited campaigns. So you can promote a lot of different campaigns, not just that one, on 26 different sites. So you can get this, and that can help you promote it. Another way you can promote it is by using our videos. See, we have all these videos on the Own Your Own Classified Ad website program, right? We've done a lot of really good videos on this in depth. This is 25 minutes. I show people how to make money with it, a number of ways. I show how Daniel is promoting it. And you can use a software called VideoTap, and I have another video which shows you how to do that, where you turn these videos into really good looking blog posts using AI. And so you could create a bunch of blog posts with these videos, put them on sites like Medium, and start getting organic search traffic. Here is a blog post I made with AI from my video. So you see, here is the video, right? And I just plugged it in, and it made a whole entire blog post. Now, I'll put a video below that shows exactly how to do this. This video is not about that. I've got a whole tutorial on that. So you can take all my videos and turn them into blog posts, put them on Medium, or use them to build your own blog and put in your affiliate links down here in call to action. See, I've got my call to actions for what I want people to do. There, it was just subscribe to my YouTube channel. But there you can do that. And there's one more thing you can do, and that is just to start your own YouTube channel. You can use that sales letter as a basis to create your own videos in your own voice. And it's really the best way to start your own YouTube channel and develop your own audience and your own list. I know people are, a lot of people don't want to get started with that, but that's the way to do it. And it's a longer term strategy, but that's what really works. And I'm finding that the successful people are putting out a video every single day. So if you really want to be successful, start putting out a video every single day and building your audience. And that's what I'm working on doing. I've done it like every few days, every week. But no, the really successful people, they put out videos every day, maybe every other day, but shoot for every day and start building your own audience on social media. Do reviews, just chronicle your journey, whatever you learn. People just want authenticity. They just want to know what works. You don't have to be perfect. There's people with, accents, you could barely understand them, that have hundreds of thousands of subscribers on their YouTube channel. So the key is to just get started. Getting started is the key. You're not going to do every single thing I said here. Just pick one thing and get going. Don't get, ADD. Just start promoting. You can just take this letter right here and take it, send it to your list, send it to Facebook groups, send it to the safe list, and you'll start getting momentum. Okay. And just keep going and don't stop. So I hope this helps. This is Matthew May with Quick Register SEO. All the links are below. I'd like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're welcome to share this video. You're welcome to embed this video. You're welcome to turn this video into a beautiful blog post to start building your blogging empire as well. So thank you so much.